best improv guys. Arrived at like 7 to get my train, and then I was supposed to get it from the other side, like from the other platform, and it just like left in front of my eyes. So I had to wait another hour, but at least I had company. How shall I call him? Mr. Beagle. Mr. Beagle. And this is Mr. George. I realized I visit some incredible places when I travel. I really want to share those places with people because I realized that not many people get to see those kind of places that I do. So I want to share them with you and experience them together, basically, like through vlogs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. There's gonna be more. So I just had a shower in this beautiful bathroom at my friend's place, and she's actually selling this house, so I want to show it to you. Here is the bathroom. I really love this shower, and there's so much space in the bath. And then this is how it opens. Okay. The view is towards Penzance and stuff. It's just so pretty. Look at this. It's wow. There is a fireplace. I really hope my phone can show actually how pretty this place is, because it's just stunning. There is this piano here. Hello, darling. Aww. And then this is the dining room. And then this is the kitchen. And there is the little garden. It's not big, but it's really sweet. Like, it's very cozy. Then there is my room. There is the second bathroom. It's like pretty cozy. A little view to the garden. This door, I mean, it's not being used because it leads to the kitchen. You don't want anyone to come in whilst you're showering. I mean, that's it from here. I really want to show this wonderful house to people who might be interested in it, because it's been on the market for a while and I can't even understand how, because it's just so stunning. You can come view it. It's next to Penzance, so a really beautiful area, close to the beach. Get it whilst it's available. Waking up and my mind starts running. Running away from yesterday. Look at these flowers behind us, so pretty. Aww. I'm getting better on camera, I swear. I think I am, at least. And then, look at this.
Now I got a crown of thorns, roses running through my bones. There